Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm creating a cosy weekly spread in my A5 journal using the Butterfly Blizzard sticker kit from the Crafty Planner Queen on Etsy. The colours in this kit are blue, oranges and blacks and are absolutely stunning. There's some beautiful images in this set. Can't wait to see how this spread turns out. If you love creative journaling, weekly setups, or just relaxing journal with me videos, you're in the right place. If you're interested in purchasing this sticker kit, I'll put the link in the description box for you. I'm going to do a Dutch door spread today. I think I'm just going to do 2 Dutch doors. Let's get started. I've fussy cutted the stickers out and I've put them on sticker backing so they're easy for me to lift up. And I've chose this washi tape. I thought I could go a different way and not lean to the frosty cold colours and go for the warm orange, because there's orange in this kit. If you're interested in this washi tape, I have got a video where I did an unboxing for IB, and that's where I got it from. I will put the link in the description box for you. I'm going to do 2 Dutch doors, so I'll put the 2 pages for the Dutch doors aside, and we're going to start on the back page. I'm going to create some simple waterfall tabs using this washi tape. I chose 3 washi tapes that go well together. I'm going to use, I think I'll use this one first. I'm going to put this on the back page, along the edge of the page. Waterfall tabs are an easier way of putting some decoration into your journal. They're a bit easier than Dutch doors, and you can use any washi tape that you like. I'm going to lay it down here, get it up to the very edge, like that. I'm going to take my scissors, I'm just going to trim this bit off. I'm going to trim this bit off as well. I'm going to take my corner punch and I'm just going to round the corners to make it look a little bit neater. That looks nice. Right, we're going to do the waterfall tab now. I'm going to take a little bit of washi tape. I'm going to put it here, so when I close the page I can see it and I'll know where to line up the next washi tape. Just click this back. I'm going to take this washi tape now. The great thing about these IB washi tape sets, they all match each other, and I think I got about 20 washi tapes in the set. I'm going to put it right up to where I've put that mark, like that. Just try and get it as straight as possible. I'm going to just trim a little bit of it off, so I've still got a tab to do the next one. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to remove this bit of paper. I'm going to close it, you can see the washi tape underneath, and that's what a waterfall tab is. So now I'm going to take the next page, and as you can see the washi tape hanging over. I'm going to line this washi tape right up to it, like that. Just trim these ends. Now I can trim that bit underneath because I don't need that like that now. I'm going to cut away this piece of paper. And that's the 2 waterfall tabs. You can do as many waterfall tabs as you like. It looks really nice when you do loads, but I just wanted 2 today. I'm going to do the back of the waterfall tabs now. All I need to do is lay the washi tape down right up to the edge on each page. Easy as that. Keep watching to see the complete journal spread, because it will come together once we add the stickers. I think this is going to turn out really nice. If you're new here, hi, I'm happy you found my little corner of the internet. If you enjoy relaxing journal with me videos, definitely consider subscribing. Right, that's the back of the waterfall tabs done. Let's have a look. Look how lovely they look together, them washi tapes. Beautiful. Right, now we're getting to the decorating. I'm going to take this big sticker of this girl. I'm going to put her down on the first page. It comes as one big picture, this, in the sticker kit, but I just trimmed round the girl. I'm going to put her right up to the edge in this corner. Like that. I'm going to put the day sticker down. I'm going to put Monday up here. And I think I'll add a box next. Should I add an orange one or a blue one? I'll take an orange one. I'm going to put it down here at the bottom. Want to balance the page out, so I've got orange at the top and orange at the bottom. Right, next I'll put a day sticker down on the second page. And put it at the top. I think I need to straighten that a bit more. I don't like it like that. Just going to try and lift it up. Yep, that's come up okay. I'll put it down a little bit straighter. That's better. Right, I'm going to add another box. I'll add a blue one this time. I'll put it here. I'll put it here. Right, I'm going to take one of these butterflies. I'm going to put this at the top here. I'm going to add some lines and then I'll add some more stickers. I really enjoy doing lines in my journal, and I always choose colours that match the spread. These pens that I use are Tombow brush markers. I love them. I don't have a lot of them, but I'm planning to increase my collection. I'm going to add some lines on the next page as well. I'm just going to grab this box first. I'm just going to put it here. Should I grab another butterfly? I think I'll take these flowers. I'm going to lay it down here at the bottom. About here. Like that. I'm going to add a snowflake. I'm going to put it here at the top. I think I might add the lines now and see if I need any more stickers once I've done the lines. Quick tap of the like button tells YouTube that you're enjoying this kind of content. So if you're enjoying this video, click the like button. This very light grey colour is lovely. If you're wondering what code it is, it's N95. Right, let's add some more stickers. I'm going to add this snowflake. Where should I put this? Up here would be okay. I'm going to add another one. I'll leave like that for now. I might come back to that page. Let's do the next page. Just clip it back. Right, add a day sticker. Just going to place it at the top like I have done on the other pages. I'm going to add this girl. I'm going to put her at the bottom of this corner. I think she looks nice there. Right, we'll add a box now. Let's see what colour. Should I take an orange one or a blue one? Take this dark blue one. I'll put it here at the bottom. Right, what else should I add? I'm going to add a butterfly. Put this here. I'm going to grab a snowflake next. I'm going to put it here. I probably will put some more stickers on this page, but I'm going to move on to the next page for now. I'm going to put the day sticker down. Just place it there. Right, I'm going to add a box to this page as well. I think I'm going to take a blue one. I'll put the blue one down first and then I'm going to put the orange one with it. Do a little cluster. And now I'm going to add some butterflies and maybe some snowflakes as well. I'm going to put this snowflake here. And then I'm going to add a butterfly overlapping it. I'll take this one. I hope you realise why I chose the orange washi tape now. As you can see, there's quite a lot of orange in these stickers, so I thought it'd be a little bit different to pull out the orange. Just going to put the sticker down here, or maybe up here. I'll put it up here, like that. Right, I think I might put the lines in now, and then see if it needs any more stickers. Right, I do think the pages need a few more stickers. So I'll put some more snowflakes down. I'm going to put one here. What else? I'm going to take this snow globe. I really like this sticker. I'm going to put it here. I'll put a butterfly as well somewhere, I think. I'll put it here. I think that looks nice there. It does look like it needs a bit more orange, but I'll just put some more lines in. I'm going to move on to the next pages, and then I'll probably come back to this page and add some more stickers. I've got to make sure that I leave room to write in. This journal I use to show you ideas in my A5, but I use an 8x8, so that gives me plenty of room to write in when I'm using my 8x8. I've got loads of videos on this channel of me decorating my 8x8 journal. I'll link some in the description box for you. I'm going to play a little bit of music and I'll just let you watch me decorate the next couple of pages. Right, now I'm just going to check if any more of the pages need any more stickers, and then we can have a look at the finished spread. I've added the lines to this page, and I've got these stickers left over, but I think I've added enough stickers. So let's have a look at this finished spread. I really like how this one has turned out, and the colours are unusual, aren't they, for a winter spread? Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this A5 weekly spread with the Butterfly Blizzard sticker kit. I absolutely loved creating it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave me a comment and subscribe for more creative journaling every week. And if you want extra principles and behind the scenes updates and early access to videos, you can join my Patreon. The link is in the description box. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy journaling. Bye.